malinaw na sa tingin ko ang political motivation behind the investigation on the POGO dahil ang sinasabi ng WAD Committee, si Presidente raw ang nag-legalize ng operation ng POGO even if it has always been there, no, since time pa ng Aquino government, no. So I am
Attorney,
confident. I am
when
confident
was
that I can prove political persecution through unjust prosecution ng WAD Committee.
that filed, attorney, yung application for asylum, and how long do you expect that to be acted upon?
Well, I'm filing it immediately after our meeting. Okay, so I'm heading in the afternoon. The place of filing is medyo malayo, 3 hours. So I expect to spend the night there. And there's a whole procedure that I need to comply before they give me um, proof that I am an asylum seeker and a temporary residence in the Netherlands as soon as they receive my application for asylum.